just coming at you with another cooking video. I do, however, want to know if it would be okay if I uploaded a different style video. I know you expect a certain style on this channel, but I only have footage from a live stream, and I really kind of want to save that and show everybody. I did a whole, like, wing it cook with me. It was really cool. But right now, we're digging into these taco stuffed peppers, which was a nice creation. The recipe I did find and kind of based off of is a turkey stuffed taco pepper, but I did ground beef. What you want to do with those peppers, though, is you want to soften them up so they don't take too long in the oven. I put them in there for 20 minutes, 300 degrees, and then meanwhile I will cook the innards, if you will. The rice is 1.5 cups of water, and I put some chicken stock in there. I did put it on the heat for a minute, but I took it off because I wasn't ready to cook the rice, and the meat's just sitting there waiting. Again, I was just getting everything prepared. And in the inside of this will be corn, black beans, a whole jar of salsa, and then mixed together with the meat that has the taco seasoning and rice. And oh my god, it was so good. Let me know in the comments if you've ever had something like this before. It's definitely different from an actual stuffed pepper because it's got more of like a inspired Mexican taco flavor. Hey, if you're still with me, thank you so much. It means a lot to me if you watch the video all the way through, if you hit that subscribe button, if you like and you comment. I would like for you to comment below any dishes that you would like me to make. I'm looking for new things to create and new things to make. So if you'd like to see anything like a kitchen tour or anything like that, please let me know. here loves cheese. Oh my god, I love cheese. You'll notice at the end the cheese like sticks to the tin foil. Why I call it tin foil, aluminum foil. And I was like trying to get it off so bad. But oh my god, I love cheese. Pile it on. So I just put that in the oven for 20 more minutes, and there you have it. And then it's so filling. I got filled up on one. My daughter loves these things. They're so good. I'm so glad she likes them because, you know, picky children. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will tell you, this was quite the creation. I'm having a lot of fun making these dishes. My style of cooking is just kind of winging it in a way. I look up a few different recipes and I kind of collaborate and put things together. I am not a chef by any means, but I do have that little niche, like I know how to cook. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one.